Hi everyone, we are PruneWise. So these days, there are so many large language models which have mixture of expert architecture in it. So we worked on analyzing those mixture of expert layers and then see what layers we can prune out so that we can reduce the memory as well as the computation cost. That is a problem which is taking a huge memory footprint, and then we worked on analyzing what are the underused or unused experts, and then tried pruning it out and then see how the performance degraded or and this kind of reduce the inference cost on specific tasks, and then we'll be able to understand the expert routing and their layer behavior. So this is an example wherein we inferenced on a Chinese set of Chinese questions, and you'll be able to see the load on each and every layer across a mixture of expert layers, and then on the right you can see the red boxes which are pruned out, and then we were able to see similar performance. And this is the score function which we use to calculate the which layers to prune. And then we wrote a wrapper layer on the Llama 4 text MOE module, and just to do the forward pass on the indices which are not pruned, and we preserved the shared expert logic. We didn't prune that. And then key observation was after pruning also we were able to generate similar responses from the model, and then we also interpreted it, visualized it, reduced the model size, and then this could be modular across various tasks. I can just show you a small demo. Running this right now, I'm just loading the model. It takes close to 40 seconds. I can just move ahead. We wrote a custom hook which will try to get the outputs from the feed forward router layer, and then we wrote an inference function, and then right now I'm just passing in 5 Chinese questions, and then see how the output looks like. Okay, the model is almost loaded. Yes, we wrote the hook for these layers, and then right now it is running inference on these 5 questions, and then it's just simple questions how are you feeling today, and then it just says that I'm a large language model, I don't have any feelings and stuff like that, and it's generating the text back in Chinese as well to us. And then the next up is we just once from the outputs which we log from the hook, we just try to log the load on each and every expert for every token, and then we just save it, and then we also save the importance parameters which saves the softmax probability values of every expert token, and then we plot that. You could see the plot before pruning what which expert is important across different layers, and then right now we wrote a wrap a score function which was used to say which indices of experts we are going to prune and which indices we are going to keep. And then right now we just plan on pruning half of the experts in the initial few layers, and then this is the wrapper which we wrote to prune the model, and then we are applying the pruning, and this is the output which we are going to get after running on the same set of inputs, and we are getting very similar results. And you could just see the total inference time being reduced by close to half, and then you could just see the pruned matrix visualization. This is a project. This can be used by every developer, just to understand the MOE layers, and then how the performance degrades based on prune.